Yo, what is good, guys? I think we're on day 12 of the series now. Yeah, we're flying through these videos. Today's episode is not on the charts, once again, but we're going to be explaining Forex Factory. So, Forex Factory is news data. This is data that happens for each currency and, yeah, financial data. So this is like when we go on about financial data, these are like the big impacts within the market. Like if we were to see, let's say, GDP of a certain currency to fall or rise, we'd see an impact within the markets, especially with foreign exchange markets. So here we are going to show you. And I'll highlight the market, I'll highlight the news data that we should be staying away from. So today is Saturday. But okay. Let me just reset my... Sorry, guys. Okay. So with this, right? Well, there is news on a Saturday. Let's say next week. Apply settings. This tells us all the news. Like, this is just next week. This is all the financial news for next week. And with this, right, depending on what currencies you trade, I trade the Great British Pound and the USD, as well as the Euro. So I don't need the Australian or the Canadian dollar. I don't need the Swiss, no clue what that is. Do need GB and EU. I used to trade the yen, not anymore. And there, okay? We don't need these ones. These are like just everyday news. So yeah, these are the only ones we need: the red folder, orange folder, and the white folder. Let's apply these filters and see what we got. Okay, this kind of sets me up for next week. So looking at this, Monday, all we have is just normal USD news, nothing major, orange folder. It's the red folders we want to be worried about. These usually have big impacts within the market. So yeah, like this, look at Wednesday. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 red folders. Probably not even going to trade on Wednesday, if that's the case. But then again, it's a game of probabilities. So, are we going to trade Wednesday? No. Why bother? Thursday. Probably not the best day. And then Friday's bank holiday for the UK, so no point of trading. Bank holidays usually are really slow. And, oh, look, I didn't even realise Wednesday we got Powell speaking. I thought that guy was gone, But hey, he's back again. But another one you want to stay away from just recently. Let's go back to last week's. Where is he? Oh, there it is. President Trump speaks. It was at 9 PM. No one's trading at that time anymore. Well, for my time at least. But this guy has the tendency to be speaking anytime. So be aware of that within the markets now. And yeah, he's the reason why all of this is kind of delayed, but it's fine. Okay, so the news data we want to stay away from. So the website is called Forex Factory. Simple as. Oh, I did forget to mention it in the last video. You know what? Today's video we're going to do that as well. So I did mention. I did mention about calculating risks and only risking 1% a day. So we'll put that here. And that is lot sizes. We'll get into that in a sec. Okay, with Forex Factory, we want to be staying away from CPI news as well as PPI, and we also want to be staying away from. So we got CPI. Oh, there it is. FOMs. Oh no. Okay, we also want to be staying away from. I don't like this. FOMC. And finally, NFP, which is also known as non-farm payroll. It happens on the first Friday of every month. So we've already had ours on April the 4th. Here it is, non-farm employment change. Employment change. You've only got to worry about that first Friday every month. This CPI, PPI usually happen like Wednesdays, Thursdays, FOMC, but hey, red folders I'd still worry about. And just see how prices, see how prices within the markets, because it'd be nice to find an example, but my charts have disappeared for some reason. Oh, hold up. Let's just reload this real quick. It's really annoying. Okay. So, yeah, that's literally Forex Factory. It's nothing too complicated. I'd suggest you check these before you start trading, just so you don't get absolutely don't get absolutely violated by price and get stopped out because you forgot that there was news coming out. Okay, so we have CPI, PPI, FOMC, and NFP. Lot sizes. I did touch on risk management last episode, but I do want you guys to, all you have to type up is lot size calculator. Yeah, easy as, there'll be loads. And you know what, we're going to use one now. Let's use one because I've already got one here. Lot size calculator. I use securities just because it's easy. I like the way it's laid out. So we put trade in. So we put a long. Let's actually put a long in. Okay, boom. Our stop loss is, let's say, this is how it goes, right? So if we hover over this is the pips. You see where it says 30.9? That's how many pips this is from your entry. Because what you'll do is you'll put this to your entry and your stop loss there. 30.9 pips. Let's say we use 30.9 pips. Oh, we give some room to breathe because of spread. So let's say 32. That you don't touch. Account balance, I trade on 20k. And we put it in the currency of the account. So if you're using a account that, yeah, I just put in dollars just because when I'm risking 1%, I'm risking 0.75 every time, which I know is consistent. And then from there, it will tell you your lots that you should be using to trade. And yeah, the platform I trade on is MetaTrader. So if I was to go in MetaTrader and take this trade, I'd be using a 0.625 lot size. Simple. And that is 1% of my account. Yeah. So yeah, this one's a short one for today. just understanding this, because you know what, let's show you. 15 minutes. Let's show you. Let's find a time last week. What was the date? What's the date? Oh, this is May. Oh no, this is way too far forward. This is okay. Friday. Oh no. Friday 1:30 PPI. Big news, right? Friday at 1:30. Okay, let's go on the 5 minute. Wait, was it the 11th of April? Apparently did nothing. Oh, that's a fail. I mean, still a red folder, you know? It's just when price is really volatile, because it's all unexpected. Let's check Thursday. There's loads of red folders. Thursday, 10 o'clock. Oh no, 10th of April. If I was to guess, it'd be that candle right there. And it looks like it. Okay, look, as we can see, I mean, price action is terrible anyways, but look how long that wick is. 1:30. Oh no, this is Friday the 11th of April at 1:30. Oh, maybe it did make an impact then. That's PPI for you. See, it's just unexpected moves. What about Thursday 1:30? Yep, look, see, big shoot up. It's all unexpected. And if we measured that, let's get a ruler stick out. From about there to there, 43 pip movement. It's quite significant. So I suggest you stay away from news, because I mean, some traders like to trade news, but hey, we're in this for the long run. I don't think we should be here trying to gamble a 50-50. Might as well go to the casino for that, or on your phone. But yeah, so what we're going to do, we're going to wait 30 minutes after news has gone. Oh, 30 minutes is a sensible move because it minimizes the risks. And we can trade 30 minutes after, or just don't trade at all. Preferably not trading at all. But if you see a nice setup, take it. So I think that sums up for today's episode. So on news data and lot size. I'll catch you guys in the next one, where we're going to be hopping back onto the charts. So yeah.